Duncan, Moses has said something very interesting, that Mutunga was a really kind heart. I mean, he was very, he was easygoing, you could say that. And, David Maraga does not seem anything different. He's very soft-spoken. Do you think that he has the authority and the gusto to go after these cartels, of course, positioned as corruption, under the banner of corruption?
And Betty, that statement alone actually justifies my earlier statement. Compare the
You're
two
still
in
on
actual
it.
sense, you'll find that Mutunga was even stricter than Maraga. He may have achieved a lot, and I give it to him in terms of being the presiding judge at the Court of Appeal in Kisumu, Mombasa, and Nakuru.
Yes.
But there is no radical decision, save for the decision that he made in as far as Justice Mutava is concerned. Yes. And what he's actually indicating in as far as the cartels are concerned is already a manifestation that David Maraga has already given a concession that these cartels will continue having their day. And I say
Why
that,
do you say that?
I say that
well, how so?
They'll have their chance to
No,
react,
I want you to qualify that.
Table.
Yeah.
I say that in view of what happened in the parliamentary commission, that is the Legal Affairs Commission, when they were interrogating him, and Parliament at large, they had very specific interests, and they put those interests to Maraga. They never put interest in as far as the common Wanjiku and Atieno are concerned.
What interest was this?
They asked him and told him, what will you do in as far as what the courts are actually doing in terms of giving injunctions on parliamentary issues, giving orders that will injunct Parliament and as such. If his answer would have been, I will leave the courts to be liberal, let them make those decisions, I can tell you they will not have unanimously voted for him. But he actually said, true, I will go and do something about that. That is already agreeing that there's a problem. But ideally, that will actually mean prefecting these particular courts and working within the whims of the likes of Parliament. The judiciary should be free to make their decisions independently. Not even the Chief Justice has the right to interfere with the decision of a judge if the judge is sitting properly as a judge and being guided by the law and the facts. But if Parliament tells him, this is the issue we have, what will you do about it? And he says there's something I'll do about it. Already Parliament is a cartel as a whole, and he has already said, I'll do something about it.
Parliament is a cartel.
Yes.
Okay, Jesse.